All right. I hope that you guys are ready today for a new way to put more money in your pocket. So today the video will be quite short, but the content will be really valuable as usual. So let's get started. We are on eBay right now, ebay.com, and we're gonna type weight loss ebook. Now, what's an ebook? An ebook is simply a PDF file with some useful information, sometimes not so useful, but this is information, images, and text in a PDF format. So, as you can see, there are a lot of ebooks right now on eBay. People can just click and buy it, and then the seller will send the ebook to the person that bought the ebook. This is really simple. So now, example, this one, Walking for Weight Loss ebook with full mastery sell right. Now, I know that you're gonna say, I don't have ebook, I don't want to write an ebook. I know that. I'm gonna show you somewhere that you can have the same exact ebook for free with the resale right, so you can resell it just the way that person is selling it right now on eBay. I'm gonna go on my secret source for the best ebook. It's called IDPLR. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can go and check it yourself. We're gonna type the same title here, walking for weight loss. So now, walking for weight loss, boom, there it is, and it's totally free. You can just download it and then it's yours. You have the right to resell it. Can it be used? Can it be sold? Yes. So you have the resale right, master resale right. So that's it. Now, this is only one example, but here on IDPLR, you have a lot of content, product, free ebooks. Okay, there's a ton of it. Expert interview, internet business, chatbot marketing. There's a ton of it. So you can register for a free account, but you can also upgrade your account to have full access to all the ebooks, because there are a lot of ebooks on IDPLR, but some of them are premium ebooks, and you cannot have them for free. But for example, if you are able to put on eBay at $2 a piece, you are able to put 5 of them, only 5 of them. You'll have worth of $10 of ebook. So if you have $10 sale per day, at the end of the month, you'll have $300. So it's not too complicated to put more ebook online, and you'll be able to sell for each month at least for $500. So if you are earning from this new business model, you can upgrade your account. And I think the upgrade is $90 lifetime access. If you upgrade for $90, you have lifetime access to all the ebooks in all the categories that you see there, and that's it. So I encourage you to at least register for free and have access to the free ebooks. And then if you decide to go forward and upgrade, you'll have access to the full library of ebooks and videos and everything, and you'll be able to resell them and make a ton of money. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, just give it a thumbs up. It will help me for sure. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time I release a new video, you won't miss it. So thank you for watching and take action. There's a lot of great content in all of my videos. If you take action, you'll have result. If you don't take action, you'll stay in the same position every single day. Without action, your dreams will always remain a dream. Take action.